Your good manufacturing practice efforts are only as good as your data. Are your measurements proven? Are you keeping up with the industry's demand for traceable data in your process? The ISO 17025 calibration standard has proven measurement traceability through NIST, which is accepted globally. Lighthouse Worldwide Solutions is accredited with testing and calibration standard ISO 17025 for air particle counters and microbial samplers. Calibrating your instruments under ISO 17025 future-proofs your equipment and data. Lighthouse and its global facilities have the industry's best 17025 offerings, counting efficiency, the industry's widest range of particle sizes, size resolution, and airflow for both microbial samples and air particle counters. Gain confidence in your data with Lighthouse Worldwide Solutions today. Click on the link in the description to learn more about our calibration offering under ISO 17025